Mumbai. It's beautiful, it's iconic, at times chaotic, but it will always have a place in our hearts. We're Jaisal and Sonia, and we've already spent 3 weeks here getting a mix of tourist and local activities. For our final week, we had an action-packed full-day walking tour in downtown Mumbai, as well as a local experience into the streets and night markets. Come along to experience our last few days in my beloved Mumbai.
I'm so excited today because we're going to downtown Mumbai with my family. Can't wait!
They're gonna come pick us up in a big bus, and we're gonna be in like a group of what, 8 to 10 people?
Yeah.
And touring the whole city. That'll be fun. And our dog here is coming to say bye to us. This dog lives just beneath our complex, and she reminds us of Luna so much. She's just like her. He's so sweet. Look at her. Look at her. So cute. Yeah. So we see her every day when we go out and we wait for the rickshaws on the road or anything. We always see her. And she always greets us goodbye and hello every day. Yeah. Yay.
Once my whole family gathered, our tour bus picked us up and we drove from my family home in Goregaon East to downtown Mumbai. We got dropped off at the iconic Marine Drive. Aw man, did it mean a lot to me to be here today. The very first time I came to Marine Drive was in my teens, and because my dad was so eager to show me and my brother where he would spend his college days. It meant a lot to him to share this place with us. Definitely missed his in-person presence here today, but it was so wonderful being here again with my family. Next up was seeing my cousin's old stomping grounds.
This is my college, guys.
Where's your star?
It's coming soon. The canteen is behind. We can go check out. It's all ready. You should play carom here.
Yeah? Sports room?
The results come there. Yeah, and then everyone comes there. Nice to see you passed on.
It was shocking to know that the grades are posted for everyone to see. I think that would give me so much added anxiety.
Johan said that we have to have this sandwich outside of his college.
After the tour, we had street sandwiches and sweets and walked the rest of the way to the Oval Maidan Gardens. The peaceful gardens led to a much more chaotic walk, which we had to make in order to get to our next stop.
Are you getting stressed from the street?
Almost there, almost to the sidewalk.
But the sidewalk is worse. Then people will keep asking you to buy things.
Oh, yeah.
Believe me, the street is better. Okay. Thank you.
How much? So loud. Overstimulated.
We finally made it to the most iconic place in downtown Mumbai.
Gateway of India!
This arch monument was built over 100 years ago to commemorate the King and Queen of England. The monument's referred as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai. It stands on a beautiful waterfront and is Mumbai's top tourist attraction, as you can tell by the huge crowds. Just a short walk away from the Gateway of India, we headed to do one of my favorite activities.
Time for some shopping at Colaba Causeway.
Sonia, what did you find?
Bag on the lake?
It's too busy to shop here. Crazy.
Maybe shopping here is like very difficult.
No, can't shop here.
Can't shop in
Yeah,
the
can't shop.
If even the locals say it's too busy, it's time to leave. And it was really very busy.
Sonia's mom didn't make it through the traffic.
No, my mom and Sheila.
Oh no. It's split up. Okay, continue. Got crushed by the bus. Let's keep going.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
That one was bad. That was bad.
No, he almost got crushed.
No, I jumped. The bus was going, turning, and the other car was staying there. You okay?
After finally making it through the busy streets, we made it to our dinner. As all good things must come to an end, we got into our bus to head back home.
It's over. How sad.
Oh.
Great day though.
We wanted to make the most of our last night in Mumbai, so we hit the streets for one final night out on the town.
We're here in Borivali today, have a special shop I need to visit, but it is crazy here. Everyone's yelling, they're street shopping. I'm super excited. Let's go.
We're at Street of Us Ornaments, and I'm here because my whole side of the woman's side of the family is Mangalorean, and they all wear a classic V-shaped ring, and so I'm gonna get myself one today. I'm so excited.
But the sounds over here are just something unique that you'll never get to recreate. Every street has its own.
Yeah.
Every place has its own.
It's never,
Only in Mumbai.
it's never boring here. I love it.
Yeah. Look at this bus coming down this way. Sonia, you don't want Gucci purse? Trying to collect all the colors? I feel like all you've been doing is buying bags.
I'm a sucker for bags.
And tree plate.
So on the streets here, I feel like you can get anything and everything from like just silverware and fruits and even like have cooking, anything and everything you can find on the streets, shoes and sandals and purses. But there's something specific I'm looking for. When we were in Mahabaleshwar, Sonia's cousin gave me these chips, and they're like an off-brand chips. They're called Taka Tuk, and I haven't found them yet. I'm gonna be looking for those. We've looked online. I've even bothered all of your cousins for these chips, and I've scoured the streets near where we are. But now since we're out, I feel like I should ask more people.
Yes, you should.
So this store is branded as all kinds of chips. Turns out that was a lie. We're gonna keep moving. So many stores. I've checked them all. None of them have the chips I'm looking for. We'll keep looking. So we've been carrying around, oh my gosh, so loud. We've been carrying around dog and cat food to feed the stray dogs and cats. And so we found some here. We're gonna feed them. Go.
They're actually all here for the cheese, the paneer stall.
You guys are hungry.
Very good. It's
Yeah?
hot. Alright, here, first one.
It's really good.
इसका नाम? Sinara. Chestnuts. I think chestnuts. Yeah. No chips here. So Sonia is getting those cloths that she picked up from Kerala, these ones.
I'm looking at sari blouses.
Sorry, boss.
100 rupees. Yeah, but I can make it into some kind of sari blouse.
and she's gonna get them all custom made into blouses over here. So she's getting them her measurements done.
Thank you. I'm so excited. When we're back from Rajasthan, it'll be done, hopefully.
I don't have one though.
We just bought a bunch of things. We got some mugs, a copper bottle. Thank you so much for everything.
So we are with Jaisal and Sonia. It was so amazing to interact with them. Please follow them. Please subscribe to them. And we also have a website of Kidor. You can reach out to us directly and order from us.
Yes.
Subscribe.
You
Thank
can
you.
order online anywhere.
Yeah. All over India.
Worldwide.
All international.
नहीं है आपको मालूम है क्या मिलेगा नहीं कुरकुरे नहीं
No duck.
they don't have बाजू वाला में
Oh yeah? Okay. We're on the hunt for tuk-tuks. It's 4:30 a.m. and we're leaving. Goodbye, Mumbai.
that's it Mumbai trip is over
So sad.
we're at the train station we're gonna take this train out of Mumbai for a lot of other adventures just because the Mumbai trip is over doesn't mean the India trip is over
No.
we still have a lot of adventures that yet to go. So we just got our bags loaded up back here. We have about a 6-hour journey, but just want to reflect back on this whole Mumbai experience. We were able to meet your whole family and spend a lot of time with them, and then go out of Mumbai to see Lonavala and Mahabaleshwar, right?
Then Nasik.
And see the fort towns and the temples there. And then from there we did our Kerala trip too. It's just been a good time.
It's been an amazing time.
Yeah.
Can't wait to make more memories.
Yeah, and now out of Gujarat we have a few trips planned. So this is the end of Mumbai, but still a lot more to do. What happened? Come. Hey, you guys grew up in Mumbai or what?
That was a little hectic.